everybody, welcome to Monday Morning Must Knows. My name is Merlin Rothfeld, and here are three important things to pay attention to for the upcoming trading week. Now, our first one of three is actually a three for in itself, so we got like 5 things or 6 things coming up this week. We'll start it off with interest rates. Yes, central banks around the world are heating up the discussion about potentially raising rates to combat that inflation that's transient at this point, but might be getting worse. We'll start things off in the Southern Hemisphere. That's right, at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and all of these times will be Eastern Standard Time. The Australian dollar, just after the stroke of midnight, will be coming out with their rate announcement. On Wednesday at 10 a.m., the Canadian dollar will be coming out with their announcement. And on Thursday at 7:45 a.m., the euro will be coming out with their announcement. Now, this is important because a lot of these currencies are sitting right in a supply or demand zone as we speak, which may present some trading opportunities. But more importantly, it might give us an idea as to what these countries are thinking about their economies overall, how inflation looks, what the job situation looks like, and what are central bankers thinking about rates going forward, which of course can drive markets. Moving on to number 2, we're talking about inflation. Yes, we'll dovetail right into that Fed decision. Producer Price Index, or PPI numbers, are coming out on Friday at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And this is important because look historically, going all the way back into 2013, you can see that it fluctuates above and below zero. But for the past 6 months or so, we've been really high. This red line that you see on your screen now, coming out about 1.0, that is very high historically. And any estimation that we've seen recently has been exceeded with regards to those inflation numbers for PPI. So this could give us a little bit clearer read, if you will, of what the Fed might be thinking about rates going forward. Remember, Powell has already said that inflation is transient. We expect it to stay a little bit higher than normal, but if it keeps climbing, that talk track might change and they may have to raise rates accordingly. And finally, we look at the earnings calendar. It is very quiet this week. We've got 87 companies reporting, and there are a couple of big ones. No, not Coupa Soft or Casey's General Store, but on Wednesday, you've got Lululemon and GameStop. Oh yes, the meme stock from Reddit, which was taken off a while back, slowly coming back down to earth. On Thursday, you've got Oracle, Dave & Buster's, and F-Cell. And on Friday, you've got Kroger's, one of the largest grocery stores in the world, wrapping up your earnings week. Now, again, it's very quiet, but some of these might be in your portfolio, and there may be some moves for those specific securities. That, my friends, is your Monday Morning Must Knows. We'll see you next week.